Rice is a staple food for billions worldwide, valued for its versatility, affordability, and nutritional benefits. Below are 10 benefits of rice, each with in-depth detail focusing on its role as a daily edible. Rice, particularly white and brown varieties, is primarily composed of carbohydrates, which are the body's main energy source. A single cup of cooked white rice provides approximately 200 calories, mostly from complex carbohydrates that break down into glucose, fueling muscles and the brain. Brown rice, with its higher fiber content, offers sustained energy release, preventing blood sugar spikes. This makes rice an ideal daily food for active individuals, laborers, and those needing consistent energy, especially in regions like Asia where it's consumed multiple times daily. Brown rice is high in dietary fiber, about 3.5 grams per cup, which promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. The fiber also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a healthy microbiome. White rice, while lower in fiber, is gentle on the digestive system, making it a go-to for people with sensitive stomachs or conditions like diarrhea or irritable bowel syndrome. Fermented rice dishes, like idli in South Asia, further enhance gut health by introducing probiotics. Rice is naturally gluten-free, making it an excellent staple for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. Unlike wheat-based products, rice poses minimal risk of allergic reactions, which is why it's often used in baby foods and diets for people with food intolerances. This benefit is critical in diverse populations where dietary restrictions are common, ensuring rice is a safe, inclusive daily food. Brown rice is a good source of B vitamins like thiamine, niacin, and B6, magnesium, and manganese, which support metabolism, nerve function, and bone health. For example, a cup of brown rice contains about 21% of the daily recommended magnesium intake. Even white rice, though less nutrient-dense, is often fortified with iron and folic acid in many countries, addressing deficiencies in populations reliant on it as a primary calorie source. Brown rice contains heart-healthy compounds like lignans and phytosterols, which help reduce cholesterol levels and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Its fiber content also reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, by binding to it in the digestive tract. Studies suggest that regular consumption of whole grains like brown rice can lower heart disease risk by up to 20%. White rice, when paired with balanced foods like vegetables and lean proteins, supports a heart-healthy diet by providing low-fat energy. Rice, especially brown rice, can support weight control due to its fiber content, which promotes satiety and reduces overeating. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that whole grains like brown rice were linked to lower body mass index, BMI. White rice, while less filling, is low in fat and can be portion controlled in balanced diets, making it a versatile option for maintaining a healthy weight when paired with nutrient-dense foods. Brown rice has a lower glycemic index, GI, than white rice, around 50 versus 70, meaning it causes slower blood sugar rises, beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Pairing white rice with fiber-rich vegetables or proteins further lowers its GI impact. In regions like South Asia, where rice is a daily staple, combining it with lentils, for example, dal chawal, creates a balanced meal that stabilizes blood sugar. Rice provides a high-quality carbohydrate source that replenishes glycogen stores in muscles after exercise, aiding recovery. Its amino acid profile, while not complete, complements plant-based proteins like beans or animal proteins like chicken, making it a staple in athletes' diets. For example, bodybuilders often pair rice with lean proteins to optimize muscle repair and growth, a practice common in fitness communities worldwide.